Hey there chickies, how's everyone doing today? My name is Mimi, welcome back to my channel, and I just messed everything up right now. Hey you guys, I come to you with a small, well, a multi-brand haul, I would say. These are some things that one of my cousins sent me. My friend from Texas sent me a couple little things, and I purchased a couple other things here. So let's get into what my cousin sent me. All right, so first of all, she sent me the Happy Planner strap. I actually don't have this purse, but I do have the Erin Conran planner bag. Okay, I can't remember the name. Anyways, I have that and I'm using that right now. So I figure I can interchange the straps, and she got this at where is the sticker from, you guys? From Michael's. And it was only $3.24, you guys. That was awesome find. Because I already have, let me show you, because I already have the leopard, and the leopard, they had the leopard also, and it was super cheap, like $3 and something, but I told her I already have it. So she found this two gems right here. I can't believe she found this. This is from the Happy Planner once again. This is from the Glam Girl collection. This was 2019-2020, and when it first came out, I didn't purchase this. I don't know why. It looks like this, and this is outdated, obviously, because we're already in 2021, but she got a really good deal on it, and it has metal mini disc in pink, which I am loving. So I'm really happy that I have this. I can always date it, you know, redate it, and oh my gosh, I can't believe I have it. And she also found the mini Happy Notes in the same line, the Glam Girl. It's dotted line paper with the polka dots. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. And this one has plastic purple clear mini disc. A lot of the things that she found them on clearance, which I told her, you know what, don't pay too much for it, okay? Because like that planner, the Glam Girl, it's already outdated, right? Because that was for 2020. Now, and this one, oh, from $10.99 to $2.74. So there's three journaling books here. One is dotted line. This one, so pretty. This one is, let's see what's, oh, this is blank. Let me see. Yeah, blank paper. And the leopard looks like this. This one is dotted grid. She found, look at this. It's a makeup brush. So you can wash your brushes here. And this is from Daiso, I think, from Hello Kitty. She sent me a whole bunch of pages from some of her books. Oh, I'm missing some of them. She sent me some of the black and white ones too. You know what? I left them downstairs. Well, she sent me some more pages like those. And she sent me, oh my gosh, some clips. And she sent me, what is this little baggie? Oh, okay, she sent me some candy and stuff, and it was in this little baggie. And I'm guessing this is from Daiso as well. Little twin stars. These were my favorite growing up. I love that. Oh, and what is this? Cinnamon roll. What? Cinnamon roll. And it's a case. What is it? Cinnamon roll? I don't know. But I think that's the name of this character right here. All right, so she found three more Happy Planner micros. So let me take the and each one was $1.74. So I took the plastic off, and let me just show you. This one is from the Ron collection with the Happy Planner. They all have plastic discs, and this one has a dotted grid with the palm leaves. That is so cute. I am so obsessed with micros, you guys. I've been watching Stephanie from Plan with Peanutty. And I've been watching all of her micro videos. She has an extended playlist. And I'm just obsessed. I watch the same videos over and over and over again. I just love them. Her videos are short, okay? They're only like 4 to 5 minutes long, but they're micro videos for micro planners. So good. And I'll leave you her information below so you know what I'm talking about, because she's really good. So this one, oh, look at that, the rainbow. And I really like this pink paper too. Dotted line. I have like packaging dust on my stuff from the box. And the back, let me see, it's a rainbow. Awesome. Let me see here, and the last one here is my strength. Oh, this must be from the Faith collection, right? Oh, that's nice. And this is, oh, this is just blank paper, so you can do whatever you want with that. So these are the 3 newest micros to my collection, and I'm gonna start setting up my micro because I just love it, you guys. So my friend from Texas, hi, Kathy, she sent me this cute little what is this, coin pouch or keychain wallet, which now I'm gonna carry this in my purse so I can keep my change. Because you guys saw, if you saw my last video, my cash stuffing video, I'll link it up here for you so you can check it out. You saw what happened to my money because I was just like stressing over my little agenda. But anyways, and some little cute owls, look at that, so cute. So she sent me this little gift with a card and the main attraction from this box. And I didn't know she was sending me this. She found a Homebody 12-month classic size planner. This started January, it's from January 2021 to December 21, and this is in the dashboard layout. When this was out, when they had just first released this, I didn't buy it because I was like, no, I'm not gonna buy it. I have the other dashboard, and she found it for me. I think she has this one too. And I told her that I wanted it too, but I didn't get it, and now it's sold out, and you know, so she sent it. So look at this beauty, you guys. Okay, so March, and let me see April. Oh, that's so pretty. You know what? I'm gonna set up my catch-all, which I haven't done in a while. I haven't like really worked on that planner, but I think it's time. I think it's time because now we're getting more places are open. Like pretty much our whole city is open now, with some regulations and whatnot. But I'm hoping that you know, things get better. This is the dashboard for April. Let me show you here the monthly, and this is the dashboard layout. I hope that you can see there because I don't even know how this video is gonna look like. The florals, so pretty. All right. Oh yes, I am gonna use this, my Franken planner. All right, so this was the main thing that she wanted to send me. And now let's move on to the stuff that I purchased. You guys, so this is all from the Planner Society, and this is my first order from them. And let me show you what they sent. I think these are freebies right here because I don't remember ordering this. And when I checked my receipt, it didn't have anything that said die cuts or anything. So look at how pretty. So what I'm planning on doing with these things, you guys, is I am gonna make some dividers and dashboards for my planner and for my cousin's planner, so I can send it to her. Oh, that's so pretty. And then this, I think this was a freebie too. So cute. And it comes with these cards right here. What are these cards for, you guys? Just to add to your planner, right? As dividers or decoration, I'm not sure. But all right, so I think those were free, you guys. So now I did purchase 3 sets of pockets. Oh, I was gonna say the color looks kind of matte. Oh, because it has like this tissue paper. Okay. And here's the pocket. This one has 3 different sizes, and this is like the mauve with the silver stars. I also purchased, these ones are scallop up here, and they have the rose gold stars. And the last one, and this last set is the same, the scallop. It's a 2-piece set, but this one has the gold. So I have gold, rose gold, and then the silver or hollow. I can't remember. I think it was silver. So I'm gonna make pockets and things for me and my cousin. I also got a set of the washi. This is glitter in the pink and the lavender, because I got 2 sets of this right here. All right, these are called toppers, right? I think like a divider topper or something like that. And I purchased 2 sets. Well, by the time I ordered, the gold one was already sold out, so I got 2 of the lavender, because I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna make a set for me and one for my cousin. And then you have it in the florals here. Oh, so pretty. Today, week, month, and notes. Okay, so 2 sets of those. Now this ones, I was able to get 1 set of each design, because this was new to her shop. I think it was part of the new releases. Right here. So these are the tabs. And also comes with the labels. And then you can coordinate with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you have 6 different tabs. And that's why I purchased this in lavender and pink to go with that. So the same thing, 6 different tabs, and then you have the labels. This is the first time I ordered from the Planner Society. So let me show you the washi. Now I purchased this basically for that washi right there. This right here. It looks like a leopard, but it's really not. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty. See, it's like a mauve. And I think this is going to go well with all of the pockets that I got, and also with the tabs and this glitter washi here, or borders. So there's 3 different sizes. This one is huge, you guys. I don't have any washi this size. Oh no, 4 different sizes. So you have this thin one. This is very muted. I thought it was going to be more of a brighter color. more like this maybe. And the last thing that I want to show you is this order from a glitterylifeplans.com. You can find her here. The owner, her name is Trisha, and she has a YouTube channel, and she's very active on Instagram. And let me just show you what I got. So this is the freebie, and I got a couple of designer inspire sticker sets here. This is for my LV agenda that I want to use. I purchased this dashboard, Vellum actually dashboard. That is so pretty. And I show you this on Instagram. I didn't show you this right here because I have plans for this. So, oh, let me show you. It came with this freebie. And this set, it's a combination of Vellum and cardstock. Okay, so this is the Vellum. It's a makeup bag. This one right here is not Vellum. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And this one, cardstock as well. That is so pretty. And the last one, this is all one set. There's 4 pieces here. And the last one is this right here. And this is in Vellum. So that's all I can show you from this order, because the other stuff are gifts for some other ladies. All right, you guys, so this is my little, you know, happy mail and a little things that I purchased from a couple of shops. I am not going to put everything together here because it was it doesn't fit in my little desk. Well, it's not that little actually, it's a good size desk, but anyway. So if you're interested in any of the shops, you guys, I'll leave you a link below, and if I find any videos or anything like that that I can add up here on the eye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.